Hello and welcome to Revd Ruth's Random Creativity. Today I'd like to show you how I made this Kandinsky inspired piece. You'll see from the video that there was a very slow drift. My table wasn't level. That's the key thing I must remember, is to make sure my table is level. And it was so slight that I didn't even notice it until it was too late before I could correct it. So have a watch of the video, let me know what you think. Do click the like button if you like it, and I welcome any comments, good or bad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button if you like what you see, put any comments, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Thanks for watching.